let's learn how you can make a boomerang on Instagram from your photos and videos from the camera roll. So if you don't want to shoot a video from the Instagram camera, but you want to create a boomerang from some old photo or video that you have in the camera roll, just follow my steps. There are 2 different ways on how you can do this, so make sure to watch the video until the end. I'll first open the camera on my phone, and I have to make sure that I have the live photo option enabled in the settings. When I take a live photo from my iPhone camera, it will capture a lot more information, and we will need that information in order to create a boomerang. So I took a live photo, and I can go over to my Instagram camera. I can open my photo gallery and start creating a boomerang. Keep in mind that you can create a boomerang from the live photos only, and I will show you how you can create a boomerang from your videos in the camera roll, so just wait a few seconds. So the live photos in my gallery will have a little boomerang icon at the top left corner of the photo, and you can select those photos and create a boomerang from them. If your photos are just regular photos and you didn't shoot them as a live photo, you sadly can't create a boomerang. But don't worry, I'll show you how you can create boomerangs from any video in your gallery. If your photo has this little boomerang option, then you can select it. Tap on this little boomerang option at the top, and your live photo will be transformed into a boomerang which you can share with your friends and family members. If you don't see a boomerang option, even though you know that this is a live photo, then go over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and check if your Instagram app is updated. If Instagram isn't updated, then you maybe won't have all of the latest features and functions. So make sure to check if you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your device. Now let's create a boomerang from any video in our camera roll. And we will be using a free app called CapCut for this little trick. We will need to download an app from our App Store or the Google Play Store if we want to create a boomerang from our videos. But CapCut is absolutely free, so download the app and then let's open it. Create a new project by clicking here, and then we will select the video in our photo gallery. When the video is in our timeline, we have to select around 2 or 3 seconds from our video in order to get a boomerang effect. So for example, I want my boomerang to start here, so I'll click on the video to select it. Then click on the split button in order to make a cut. And I want it to end right here, so split the video one more time. I can click on the trash can icon to delete the video parts which I don't need. You can see that we are left with around 2 or 3 seconds of a video, which I will use for my boomerang. Make sure that this video is selected, then scroll all the way down until you can see a duplicate button. That is going to make an exact copy of the video, and we have to do one more thing. Make sure that your other video is selected, and then scroll until you can see the reverse button. Wait a couple of seconds until the second video is reversed, and then we will have our boomerang. You can see how our video looks like, and you can make one more copy if you want your boomerang to repeat 2 or 3 times. When you are happy with your results, then click on this little arrow button at the top right and save the video to your photo gallery. That's how you can create a boomerang from your live photos and videos, everyone. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.